Hey guys, what's up? ARG Bricks here. Now, you might have noticed in the time-lapse video that I was working on 5 separate sections. Here they are. And this is basically an environment-friendly project, which is basically how to cope with the increasing rise in the population and global warming. Considering all the eco matters which are happening around the world, this is one of the best ideal places to live. These are based on container homes. They're basically shipping containers made into a home. Now we have 5 sections here, and I also took the concept from Living Big in a Tiny House. You should check out their YouTube channel also. It's basically one apartment is for one person, so that means 5 people could live in this, 5 different families, and they are stackable, so we could just like put more on more and more and stack it up. And I think it's a really good way how to eco-friendliness. I have no words to say. It looks amazing for me. Leave your opinions down in the comments and see you guys next time. Thanks guys for watching.